So in this world, right, there are two kinds of people. One, like Shireen, who never seems to have any nose hair sticking out. I think it grows inwards or something, but it just doesn't show no matter how much she like breathes or expands nostrils or whatsoever. And then you got people like me, who even just by breathing, right, you always have like one or two strands of nose hair sticking out. To fix the problem of long nose hair, right, you have a few different ways to fix it. One will be to pluck it, which is what I have been doing for the longest time. But you will realize that the more you pluck, as with any hair on your body, the more you pluck, the more likely it will stop growing. So I figured it might not be a good idea if I have like no nose hairs at all, and that means all the dust and stuff will just keep going in, right? So naturally the next option will be to cut it. And by cutting, you have two options, right? You got a pair of mini scissors or big scissors if that's your thing, and then you got the electric nose hair trimmers. So going with the scissors, you have a few little benefits. Of course, it's manual, no batteries, but sometimes you end up poking the insides of your nose, it hurts. Sometimes, if it's not sharp, you end up pulling your hair, which defeats the purpose of using scissors in the first place. But most importantly, you cannot bring it with you on a carry-on luggage if you are taking a plane, because it's a dangerous weapon, right? Then you got the other type, which is the electric nose hair trimmer, the ones whereby you press it and then it goes me, and then you bring it in and then it trims everything. Efficient, yes. Painful, yes, because sometimes it just doesn't cut, it pulls. Again, you cannot bring it on the planes because there's a battery inside, right? We'll just keep to the assumption that everyone just wants it on the carry-on luggage. So no choice, I have to go online, check out Taobao once again to look for an alternative, and I found, I think, probably quite a well-designed item and the solution to all the problems. It's a Daji A07. So basically, it's a manual nose hair trimmer. So inside you have this, and then it also comes with a little brush so you can clean it once you're done with it. So the way the mechanism works, when I squeeze it, there are circular blades that rotate on each other, and that trims the nose hair. Essentially, it is like the electric nose hair trimmer, but without batteries. And I don't know, man, it feels pretty smooth to work with. So I don't know if you can see this, but I've been saving my nose hair for this shoot. My nostril has been cleaned, dug out, or cleared of stuff. So here goes nothing. Yeah, let's try. No tugging, that's a very good thing. Does it even work? Oh. Let me just cut a few more. Wow, it actually clears up quite a lot. It doesn't drop out, which is a good thing. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but when it trims, right, the pieces get stuck in the middle. I'm gonna try to clear it, like sweep out the hair. Wow, that's a lot, man. I am kind of impressed. One nose. I'm gonna continue with the next. The one thing that I'm really scared of, which is like a tugging action, is non-existent. There's no motor or whatsoever it is. It actually feels pretty comfortable to work with. You don't feel any heat, there's no sound, there's no scary. Oh, my left nose is even hairier than the right. So I definitely recommend this product. At 19 yuan, that's about 4 Sing dollars. It's freaking cheap and super affordable, and because there are no exposed blades, you can carry it on the plane, no problem at all. I would totally give it to my friends and all that. This is a very nice gift for anyone, especially if you have friends who have like really long nose hairs and you want to subtly tell them to, like, you know, clean up and all that. This makes cutting nose hair great again. This makes it fun again. It's amazing. 19 yuan, guys. Plus shipping, you're looking at about maybe what, 25 yuan? $5? You tell me you cannot buy something for $5? Personal hygiene, guys. This is amazing. I love it. See you again next time. Bye bye.